Good morning student. Now today I am explaining you the basic program of Python. So this is one of the program in which you have to input a three number from the user and you have to display the sum of this. So we are taking here the three variable num1, num2 and num3 for input, and these should be the integer type. So there is a statement integer input enter the first number, so this will read a number from the console and store in num1. In case of second, again read the integer number and store in num2. In case of third, this will read a third integer number from the user and store in variable num3. After that, we are using there the statement sum equal num1 plus num2 plus num3. So the sum will be stored after the calculating from the num1, num2 and num3 store in sum, and before the printing the sum we are printing all the values three numbers are. So the values should be displayed with the help of comma in a print statement for multiple values. So one space will be there. So three numbers will be this, and after that we are printing the sum is sum. Now you can see the input and output statement. Enter the number 1, we are giving a 7. Enter the number 2, we are giving a 3. Enter the number 3, we are giving a 13. Three numbers are 7, 3 and 13, and the final sum of this is 23. Now there is the one more example program to obtain the length and breadth of the rectangle and calculates its area. So we have to input the length and breadth. We can take this one as float because the value may be in a decimal. So length equal float statement will be input enter the length of a rectangle. For the breadth, float input enter the breadth of the rectangle. There the formula area equal length into breadth. So this will be calculated and stored in area. Now first we are printing the value in a same line length using a two statement at the same line. So rectangle specification length equal length comma end of this one. So second statement will be display at the same line. So breadth will be breadth, and after that the area will be display in different line. Area equal comma area. If we are not giving the message inside the printing statement in inverted comma, so only value will be display and the message will not come. Now you can see the input and output statement. Enter the length of the rectangle, we are giving the value 8.75. in case of second. Breadth we are giving the value 35.0. so this is print the length and breadth, and finally this is display the area 306.25. Now these are the some unsolved question from the exercise. Find out the error in the following code fragment. Number first, temperature equal 90, and we are printing here the temperature, print of temperature. So we have to tell what is the error in this statement. So there is the error in second statement. The variable of temperature should be inside a parenthesis in printing statement because print is a function. In case of second, a equal 30, b equal a plus v, and we are printing a and v. So we cannot print just like this a and v. The printing statement should be print a comma b. In case of the third statement, a comma b comma c equal to 8, 9. So the value will be initialized according to position wise. The value of a will be 2, value of b will be 8, and the value of c will be 9. Second, so first statement is correct, second statement again is correct, third statement the value of a will be shift to c, value of b will be b, and the value of c will be stored in a. But in case of printing there is the error semicolon we cannot use in print statement. In fourth statement x equal 24, that is the correct, but second statement is wrong, we cannot store the x in a number. In fifth, there is the x is equal of x, so there is the comma is missing after the equal sign. and in case of last else is a keyword, so we cannot use this as a variable.